My name is Dr. Ruth Doughty and I'm the Programme Leader for Film Studies. I think the most important thing that people need to know about the Film Studies degree at Liverpool John Moores is that we're a hybrid degree. This means that our students are both practical filmmakers, but they learn the history and theory of filmmaking. So they've got to write traditional essays and learn about the sort of historical and critical theory, but they also have to be out making films. So it's really theory informing practice and practice informing theory. I think the Film Studies course at Liverpool John Moores is a really vibrant course. We have some great industry links, so students can get some real life experience alongside the taught curriculum. But it is that real kind of balance between practice and theory, which makes our film course really quite unique. And I believe we have a really good balance on our hybrid degree of the two. The kind of students we're looking for have to be enthusiastic. They have to really live, eat and sleep film. We don't want students that really find watching films a chore, and we want students with a real broad eclectic taste in films, because the kind of films we study on the degree course can range from early black and white silent movies right through to kind of world cinema subtitled films, but even the most recent blockbusters. You know, we need people that aren't kind of single-minded and only like one genre. We want our students to be really passionate about film. A lot of our graduates have gone into the industry. We've had students that have gone to be editors at LA Productions. We've had students that have gone to do location work on Peaky Blinders. Some students that have gone into marketing and social media, alongside being able to, you know, make films. So from the camera work, lighting, editing, we teach students also how to write scripts. We have a screenwriter on our team who worked for BBC for 20 years. But then you also have the transferable skills of meeting deadlines, working in groups, and all of those kind of IT skills as well, software packages such as editing. So there's so many different skills you can learn on a film studies degree. We're a small cohort, so we get to know our students really well. At the moment there's 8 members of staff on the team, but we have a lot of industry links. Liverpool is the second most filmed in city. Therefore, there is filmmaking going on in this city every day of the year. And with Twickenham Film Studios opening in the very near future in Liverpool, these opportunities to go into the industry are becoming more real. There's so many more opportunities on the horizon.